Salsa Road.
Salsa Road.
Salsa Road.
Salsa Road.
Salsa Road.
The offense they are charged with is one which is bailable.
And
And I find all the sureties substantial. Bail is hereby granted to all the accused persons, and the sureties each a non-cash bond of 200,000 and
bebawabira basabye kooti okweyimirirwa kooti yawulira okusaba kwabwe era yakubawa.